This one?
Yeah.
One pepper bun me more.
That's some
Which one? Yeah?
Hi guys, what's up? Walk on. Alright, my peeps, I'm at Simone's. We almost done the food and we have some, what is Simone? Pasta salad, shrimp in there too. And we have some fried chicken. Everybody eats
Fish. It's fish.
and we have some fried fish and jerk chicken, rice and peas, mashed potato, veggie. Everybody eat already, guys. I came late and some coleslaw and gravy.
No time.
Yeah. You remember how you go already? Sure. Alright, guys, I'm gonna share some and then I'll show you.
Just walking at Simone.
Oh, she loves Simone.
No, she was somebody to fix the clock.
Oh.
Else she cannot sleep.
Alright, guys, I start to eat. Oh my god, I forgot to video, guys. The food almost done. Doing what you have there.
Pita fish and chicken.
But no more of this. What you talk about?
Hard.
No salad. Oh my god. I forgot.
Come here.
But that doesn't look much.